Advanced Lesson 2, Extreme Reversals, brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. This stock has broken above high of the day and is trending upwards. It also filled the gap for a red to green move. Note that the 9 and 20 EMAs are sloping upwards and are acting as support. Each pullback is being held up by buyers. The stock is very bullish. Price is very extended from the 15-minute moving averages and VWAP. Always wait for valid signals before attempting to short an uptrend. This red line on the 15-minute chart is the 200 simple moving average. It is a very strong level of support or resistance. Notice how price is struggling to break above the $21 whole number. Often round and half numbers can act as psychological resistance. Watch the time. This 15-minute candle is closing as a spinning top, or a doji. Dojis mean that there is indecision between bears and bulls. This 5-minute candle closed as a shooting star. Bulls sent the price up, but bears overpowered them. The smaller time frame is also confirming that the tides may be turning. This is a double top, which is a sign of resistance. Each push-up against the MA is being sent back down. It is clear by watching the price action that a struggle is ensuing. The next 5-minute candle closed as a gravestone doji. When appearing at the top of a trend, it is a deadly serious sign of selling pressure. There is only a top wick and no body. The 1-minute candles have closed below the 20 EMA. Price has also made a new 5-minute low. Momentum is dying. The 9 EMA and 20 EMA are about to cross. Moving average crossovers can be an indicator of a trend change. The 50 SMA is also incoming. On the 15-minute chart, the current candle is about to break below the prior candle's low. The bears are taking control. The reversal has begun. Let's review the 3 key signals for a trend reversal. First, note the time. Reversals tend to happen after 10:30. First, we look for the 9 and 20 EMA to cross the 50 SMA on the 1-minute chart. Second, we look for a new 5-minute low. Bonus points if the prior candle is bearish. The third and final confirmation is the new 15-minute low. The prior candle should preferably be an indecision candle with short wicks. This ensures a good risk to reward. As we wait for the trend to reverse back to VWAP, let's discuss 3 different ways to take this trade based on your risk profile. As with any trade plan, let us first define our stop. A logical level would be just above the high of day. In most cases, the high of day is also a new 5-minute or 15-minute high. The most aggressive entry is the earliest. Here you could short after the double top has been put in. Note the MAs have lost their slope and are horizontal. The 9 and 20 EMAs have converged. A moderate entry would be shorting on the new 5-minute low. Based on the double indecision candles prior, you could also short slightly before that during a pullback. Lastly, the conservative entry is when a new low has been made on the 15-minute chart. Since reversals can take a while to reach their targets, let's review signals that would keep us in the trade. Once the MAs have crossed on the smaller time frame, the 9 and 20 should continue to maintain a downward slope. Pullbacks during a reversal are quite common as earlier entrants begin taking profit. Look for MAs or other technical levels as potential support. Normal pullbacks should respect the trend and be quickly rejected at the 20 EMA. It is typical for price to consolidate on the way back to VWAP. Patient traders are often rewarded with higher profits for remaining in the trade. Do not get rattled out easily. Partial along the way to lock in your gains. This is the final leg down as bulls have capitulated. Congratulations, we've reached our final target at VWAP. More advanced lessons are available in the Bear Bull Traders Education Center.